From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 12th question of NECO 2025 is on set theory. It says, given A as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Obviously, these are prime numbers. And B as 1 to 10. Find the cardinality of A union B. Remember what union is. Union of two sets is the collection of the element of the two sets without repetition. And so A union B is simply listing out what you see here with what you see here without repeating any of them, because some of them are in both, like 2, 3 are in both. So this will be, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7, there's 8, there's 9, there's 10, there's 11, there's 13, there's 17. And so the cardinality of A union B is simply asking us how many elements are in this union. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And so the cardinality of the union of this set is simply 13, and that's B. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.